In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to apply chemistry styles in FC26 Ultimate Team. Start by going into your squad. Once you are there, pick the player you wanna upgrade. For example, let's say you want to add a shadow to Tomori to give him that extra bit of pace. Select the player by pressing X on Xbox or square on PlayStation. You'll see the recommended consumable appear. If that's not the one you want, scroll down and choose Apply Consumable. Now move to the right to see all your available consumables. Before applying anything, make sure to double check what each chemistry style actually boosts. Since this is a new game, some attributes may have changed. For example, Architect might now boost passing and dribbling instead of physical and dribbling. Once you have confirmed the right one, go ahead and apply it. In this case, we'll apply Shadow for pace. Keep in mind, once a chemistry style is used, it's gone for good, so don't waste them on every player, especially if you are building multiple squads. You can always replace a chemistry style later, like switching from Shadow to Anchor, but the original one won't come back, and that's how you can easily apply chemistry styles in FC26. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.